Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y16 and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. So to get started you want to hold the power key and from there select power off. When the phone turns off, hold the power key and volume up at the same time. You will see after a moment fast boot mode, so in here you want to select recovery mode, which you do using volume keys to scroll, and then you will use power key to confirm that selection. Now in here you want to select clear data by simply tapping on it, and then clear cache. Confirm it by selecting OK, and there we go. Cache cleared. Select return. And now press on the back arrow right here. Come on. There we go. And you want to select restart, which will just bring us back to Android. And you can see we are now back. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.